What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about overall stock market, and now let's get right into it. Dow is up 1.17%, Nasdaq up 2.48%, and S&P up 1.76%. And if you look at these groups, we got a risk on move here in the market today. Communication services on top, led by Google, Meta, technology, consumer cyclical, financial, industrials. And all the way here on bottom, we got real estate, consumer defensive, energy, basic materials, and also utilities. And look at the stock market map, guys. And look at this insanity here, guys. Microsoft is up 4%, Apple up 1.87%, Nvidia up 5.42%, Google up 4.68%, and Meta again up 3.63%, Amazon up 4%, Tesla also up in the green 2% on the day. And now we're going to look at S&P 500 ETF SPY. So what is happening here in this market? All those banks getting bailed out, and guess who's paying? It's your money, my money. We all are paying. It's taxpayers' money, but they're saying that it's not coming out of taxpayers' money. But end of the day, it's us who will be paying for that bailout. Now market is loving it. I mean, look at this insane move. SPY fell back into bear market, came right back up, now took out this bear market resistant trend line like it wasn't even there. And not only that, daily 200 day 393. Now we are trading not only above 200 day, we're also trading above 13 SMA right here, 395, holding that as a support into closing. So going into next few days, I think it's setting up for a massive bull trap unless we see some follow through here on SPY and we actually break 400 and then possibly go all the way up to close the gap at 408.14. That would be more bullish. So we need more confirmation before going in long here on SPY. This is not the time, and also this wasn't the time to short right here into this hole, because if we shorted right here, now all your position underwater because you shorted right here into this hole, and now we're getting a massive rally, a face ripper to the upside. So going into tomorrow, watch this big support, 395, 393, and then 390 to the upside. Now we have resistance at this negatively sloping 20 SMA, 397.13, and then 400. Above 400, it'll look a lot more bullish, and we're going to see this gap getting filled on top at 408.14 on SPY. And now we're going to look at IWM Russell 2000 ETF. So on IWM, I had a massive day today, and I've been looking at it for the last 2 days. Yesterday, I made a little bit of money here on IWM. This thing did not really move that much. But today, early in the morning at 171, I took a position, 175 calls for March 17th expiration, which is tomorrow. And they were only like 40-50 cents. Now, this thing went back up to 173. And then I put a stop at break even. This thing came right back down. I got stopped out for no loss, got back in at a cheaper price because this thing broke 171, came down and made a new low. So I got in below 171, 175 calls, and those things went up massively. Yes, I did not get actually 300%, but went over 300% because from 40-50 cents, the calls went all the way up to $2.50. And that was massive here on IWM, guys. Now, if you want to get setups like this one, definitely check out my Patreon. Also doing 3 days of live trading in my Discord. And I share all that in real time. And also swing trades, daily trade ideas, all that happens in my Discord once you join the Patreon. And also that way you can support my channel, and I would really appreciate that. Now on IWM, this is just a dead cat bounce. Now yes, this dead cat can go up a bit higher before going even lower. So watch out going into tomorrow. If we can continue this rally here on IWM, this dead cat bounce, possibly get over 178, we could see IWM filling the gap at 181.28, and then we will find strong resistance at that level. We could be coming right back down and taking out 170 and going lower all the way down to 165. And now we're going to look at triple Q. Now the tech sector is looking extremely bullish, but this could be a massive bull trap before we go down here on triple Q. Now this thing got the breakout, but look at this. Now we're overextended, trading above upper Bollinger Band, which is sitting at 305. I mean, look at this thing, guys. Triple Q blasted through this resistance right here, 300, and did not even stop at 304. Ran all the way up to 307 before getting a slight small pullback and closing at 306.81 for the day. So going into tomorrow, watch out for the retest right here, guys. The support, the breakout point, 300, and that's going to be a dip buy for a day trade here on triple Q. I would not go long at this moment. I mean, this is a massive jump. Monday was down here, 285, and now it's trading at 307. So you do the math. You want to get in right here and think that bull market is back and it's all bullish. Even though it's looking bullish, price action is saying it's bullish, but we need more confirmation. At least triple Q needs to come down to 300, hold that as a support, and then maybe some consolidation, and then starts moving higher. That would be more bullish, not just jumping and pulling the trigger right here at 307 and going long, and then next thing you know, it's down here at 286. We still have some unfinished business down here on triple Q. The gap down here, 273, and that could be coming in next few days. Now, I was expecting a bigger move on IWM, DIA, because those were getting extremely oversold. Here on triple Q, this is massive. So money actually coming back into tech sector, and that means what? Triple Q, Nasdaq going up massively. So we're seeing a rotation in the market. All the tech sector is getting all the money, and money is flowing here on Nasdaq, and this thing going up on a massive volume. So going into tomorrow, watch this critical support 300. Below that, down here, 20 SMA sitting at 296. To the upside, yes, this thing can run all the way up to 310 and then possibly up to even 314. And now we're going to look at DIA, Dow Jones ETF. So after getting extremely oversold, DIA getting a dead cat bounce and still trading below daily 200-day, which is sitting at 324. If we can get over that, then watch out. We could be going up to 326 and 328. 20 SMA on this daily chart, white line right here, and still will get rejected right here, and then possibly will come back down and take out 318 to go lower all the way down to 309 to fill this gap down here. So early as tomorrow, as a support, watch 321, blue line 5 SMA, and below that 318, and then possibly down here, which is not going to happen tomorrow, but keep that in mind. We got a gap down here at 309. To the upside, we need to get over 324, daily 200-day, and then 326, 328, white line 20 SMA, all the way up to red line 50 SMA, 333.66. And now we're going to look at VIX, which is down 12% on the day, and this thing was getting extremely overbought, trading above upper Bollinger Band, and finally getting that pullback, but still holding around $23, which was that breakout point here on VIX. So that's going to be a key level of support going into tomorrow, 23. Below that, watch out for 22, and then all the way down here at 20, and that would be really bullish for the market. To the upside, we need to get over 25.26, 26.34, and then 28.77. So watch those levels here on VIX going into tomorrow, especially 23. Below that, market heading higher. Above this level right here, we could see market pulling back, and that would be a bull trap in the market. And that's all I have for you guys tonight. Have a great night, everybody.